No,
It
ma'am.
is there in YouTube.
But
It is there in YouTube.
okay,
Just
ma'am.
go through that. Okay. If
Okay,
whatever
ma'am.
topic you missed, then it will be like complete. So
Okay,
now
ma'am.
we learned until this Google SaaS offerings. Google SaaS offerings include this Gmail, Docs, Calendar, then this all the apps. I showed you that dashboard also in which we have all Google apps. Google Gmail, you know, it is a SaaS offering by Google, and it is and now this G Suite name has been changed to Workspace, Google Workspace, because this book was written few years ago. Still, it has G Suite, but recently, 2 months back, the Google has changed its app collection name from G Suite to Workshop. Okay, and then Docs is like Word, Microsoft Word, and it has got very nice features like collaborative application, and then if through doc we can create text documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and the features of Google's collaborative suite. These are almost similar to Microsoft Office suite. However, this one has got a collaborative suite, and this collaborative suite includes not even docs, sheets, which are uh, similar to this one, Microsoft Excel, then Google Forms, Google Slides, which similar to PowerPoint. Google Drive, we know that Google Drive is to store the data, and we know that 15 GB we get for free, and after 15 GB, if you would like to have more storage, you have to pay more. And the advantage here is that we can access our data from anywhere and share it with any other Google Drive users. And it acts as default storage for Gmail or Google Docs, even Google Forms and Sheets. Everything will get stored in Google Drive. This is the comparison of um, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. So AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud offer a similar type of capabilities. All right, and then their vendor, AWS vendor is Amazon. It is by Microsoft. This is by Google. Hypervisor is Zen hypervisor for AWS, Microsoft Azure hypervisor for Microsoft Azure, and KVM kernel based virtual machine for Google Cloud. Internal load balancing is available in all the three. Internal auto scaling is available in all the three. Provisioning is instant provisioning. You know, instantly resources will be allocated. Name of the virtual machine service offering is EC2 Elastic Compute Cloud, Azure Virtual Machine, Google Compute Engine. This is virtual machine server, EC2, Azure Virtual Machine, and Google Compute Engine. VM type, virtual machine types, there are some predefined. In Google Cloud, we have got predefined and custom. And VM subscription, AWS offers on demand, reserved, spot. Azure offers on demand and reserved. Cloud offers on demand. And operating system, Windows and Linux in all the three. Billing is per hour billing and also fixed hourly. Here per minute billing and fixed hourly, and here also per minute. Okay, and then here name of the application platform is this application platform name in AWS is Elastic Beanstalk. In Azure, it is Azure. In Google, it is Google App Engine. And what are the supported runtimes? AWS support all these: .NET, Java, PHP, and Microsoft Azure supports .NET, Java, PHP, and so on. Google supports only Java, PHP, Python, and Go. What is storage service offering? It has got S3 simple storage system and Elastic Block Store EBS in AWS. In Azure, we have Azure Storage, and in Google, we have Google Cloud Storage. And native relational database service. In AWS, we have got RDS relational database service. In Azure, we have Azure SQL database. In Google, we have Cloud SQL. And then big data solution, NoSQL, DynamoDB and SimpleDB in AWS, DocumentDB in Azure, Cloud Data Store in Google. Big data analytical tools and Elastic MapReduce in Amazon, HD Insight in Azure, and BigQuery in Google. CDN Content Delivery Network, CloudFront in AWS, Azure Content Delivery Network in Azure, and Google is partnered with CDN service provider named Fastly. Google by itself does not provide that service. Rather, Google has partnered with Fastly, and Google supports CDN through a third-party software. Consumer Identity and Access Management Service. This one is AWS Identity and Access Management. This is by AWS. Azure Active Directory by Azure, and Google Cloud IAM by Google. So if you remember and learn this table, you will get to know the differences among these three major cloud providers. With this, we have done with our Unit 4. Let us check once. So popular cloud services is the last topic in Unit 4. Then from tomorrow, we will begin Unit 5. That is in another textbook. In this textbook, we have got all the chapters related to first 4 units. And there is another book in which we will learn about Unit 5. Okay. Do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
But I said day before yesterday, I said no, ma'am. On OneDrive, I got some free storage.
How much?
5 GB, ma'am. 5 GB.
5 GB is for everyone, Manisha.
Yes, ma'am. I didn't feel that, ma'am. When you said, yes, I got that. I thought like that. We have to pay for extra this with, ma'am. I got one mail like that.
Okay, Manisha, then. Bye. See you tomorrow.
It will be there for. Is there any duration or it will be long lasting?
Yeah. It is lifelong. For OneDrive, 5 GB. For Google Drive, 15 GB. Forever. And at Dropbox, I think it is providing only 3 or 2 GB, 2 or 3 GB. Dropbox. That is also one cloud storage service.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so this will be there forever. But then if you want to have more storage, you have to go for paid.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.